What's up? Big Herc 916, Muscle Up. This is my car channel where I talk about nothing but cars. And I'm at the, what is this called?
The Kyusha Club.
The Kyusha Club out here in Phoenix. I've never been in this car show, but it's a pretty dope car show so far. A lot of people pulling in. It's 2005 and older, JDM and Euro. And I hooked up with one of the guys I did a run with at Tortilla Flats. So we're gonna chop it up, man, and take a look at some of these cool cars. Stay tuned, hit that like and share button, subscribe. And it kind of gets everything like, yeah.
Just like does it show you too? Oh my God.
Yeah, and it shoots.
That's like a full camera just.
Yeah, it shoots 1080, 4K.
Does it actually?
You can zoom in.
That's crazy. So I'm Brennan. I drive a 1999 Toyota Altezza.
Let's go over and take a look at it.
Let's go. So this is my 1999 Toyota Altezza. It's got a Beams motor. It's the RS200 version. It's right-hand drive, and I found this out recently that this is one of 3 in Arizona with this motor in it. This is the IS300 version of the, or this is the Toyota version of the IS300, which is the Altezza.
Okay, and so this car, was it hard to get it in with as far as importing it?
So I actually traded my truck. I had a massive 15-inch lifted truck. I traded it probably 2 months ago, and I got it registered right away. It was really easy to register, but I heard that shipping these things in costs a lot of money. So luckily I didn't have to do that, but it's a beautiful car, and it's a lot of fun to drive. It's kind of loud, but it sounds like it has a turbo, but there's no turbo in it. And it's a Yamaha motor.
Oh wow!
Which is not something you see every day. So
that's dope, man.
Yeah.
Dual cam, and it's right-hand driver. So how's it driving on the right, man?
So I'm kind of used to it now. My girlfriend's family, we have a lot of JDM cars like R34s, R35s, and stuff. So I've driven those cars before, but going from a truck that was so big to something so small that's on the right side, it took a second to get used to. Like my blinkers are on the right, my windshield wipers are on the left, my lights are on my right. So it took a bit to get used to, but once I did, it was easy, and this thing's mint condition. I'm gonna get new wheels eventually, but the paint's perfect. Interior, there's no scratches, no nothing on it, and it's the full TRD kit, as you can see, with the wing and the fenders and everything, and it's a very rare car. I found this out recently that my front bumper is $5,000 just alone.
Damn.
It's one of the rarest bumpers out there.
So how do you get into JDM cars?
So I grew up loving cars. My grandpa owned RX-7, Supras, and stuff like that. I was rarely around for it because he got rid of them right when I was around born to like get money for our family and stuff like that. So I saw pictures and I instantly fell in love. I loved cars. I've loved cars my whole life. My mom used to take me to car shows often. It was a passion. I eventually got to the point where I started going to them more often, and I was able to drive, and I drove my mom's car to all these car meets and stuff because I loved them so much. So eventually it got to the point where I bought a truck, and that truck turned into this. And I didn't expect it. It was really random. I messaged the guy the day I messaged him. I met up with him and we traded the car.
Oh, wow.
But I've liked cars my whole life. I've gone to crazy car shows. I've ridden in crazy cars. And it's kind of just a passion of mine to, in the future, because I'm only 17, when I grow older, to be able to probably make this in pristine condition and keep this and move forward and get more cars. And eventually maybe own a mechanic shop or something like that for people in the future and have friends and family all around.
That's dope. That's dope. It's kind of funny. You said when you get older, you make me feel like I'm old. I've been around cars all my life too, and I'm just like car guy too. But man, it's cool to see you out here, man, with the passion. I would have never thought you were 17, bro.
Oh, yeah. Everyone thinks I'm older, even on the games. I'm like, they're like, I'm talking because they're like, no one under this age. I join, they think I'm in my 20s and stuff. I'm like, I'm 17, dude. No one thinks it, especially the cars I drive and the family I have. Like my truck, it was massive. People would think I was 25 because there was it was $50,000 into the truck. But
wow.
the motor was slowly going bad, so that's why I got away with trading for this thing.
Yeah.
And it's been nothing but good since.
Good stuff, man. Well, man, it's nice meeting you, hanging out here, man. It's funny because, like I said, such a small world. He seen my car at the pavilions, and then we did a tortilla flats drive together. So I'm quite sure we're gonna go on a lot of other drives together and keep bumping each other, man. But yeah, we're out here, and we're gonna see what's going on. I mean, there's a lot of people showing up.
All cars, but we specialize in JDM enforcement. There's not many places that specialize in JDM cars that can just, you know, do that type of stuff. So it's kind of nice.
Downtown Phoenix.
Is like Dubai's supercar and hypercar culture. It's the biggest thing ever. You go there and you're seeing these cars all over the road like it's nothing.
Have you ever been to Japan?
I haven't.
Okay.
One day.
I went to Tokyo probably back in 1999, and dude, it was a crazy experience. Yeah, man.
When the car was made.
Yeah. I went to Tokyo. Was out there for like 10 days, man. It was cool. Yeah.
So that's when like 90% of these cars are like brand new almost.
Yeah.
That's crazy.
You want to take a stroll inside? See what they got?
Big bridge. I like these. These things are kind of cool. I like when they're.
These are like the gangster, like the.
They're called like VIP.
Okay.
So it's like a VIP type of look where they have chandeliers and crazy seats. He has the same.
And look, he's got what is that behind the wheels? Is that is that a mirror back there? What is it?
Where?
Behind the wheels. See the wheels? Like, that's not the brake caliper, is it?
Oh yeah, it's a mirror of some sort. Yeah. It might be. That's crazy.
Yeah, I've never seen that.
He's got the junction. So I have the junction produce seat, these things, the headrest, and then I have the seats as well, all around. He's got the cushions and everything.
Gangster, man.
Where'd you get the cushions and stuff? Okay.
They're like they sell basically for junction products.
Yeah.
They're one of the suppliers, but they're just here in
Okay.
shipping.
Yeah, because I have the headrest in mine over there. But
It's expensive, dude. They're like $300 just for fill up.
Behind the scenes, it's going down. Brandon. People parking on the street too. How's it going? Cars all over here too. Walk around, see what else they got. How's it going?
It's R32 GTR.
Oh, dope, man. What year?
1990.
1990. What all have you done to it?
Yeah, dude, everything.
That thing came in there sounding
yeah,
beastly, bro.
Yeah, it's a fully built RB30, wide body, tubular front, cage, 6-point cage.
Oh, wow. Oh, it's nasty, man.
Yes, sir.
What type of power are you putting out with this?
800.
Damn.
Yeah, last time it was on the dyno, it was 856. We got it. We brought it back down to 800 just.
It's manageable
Just
at 800.
manageable, yeah. But I needed at the time I needed to upgrade my fuel.
You were in a 91 or 85?
I'm on pump, but I was on 1,000 cc's with factory fuel lines.
Oh, shit,
Now
okay.
I'm 2,000 cc injector dynamics, twin PRP pumps, dash 8 all the way through. So now it's got all the fuel it needs to maybe get me above 1,000, if it's safe.
Did you have to do like a lot of transmission upgrades to hold the power?
So honestly, I haven't done nothing to the transmission.
Damn. Stock train?
Yes. It's got a 6-buck clutch and whatnot, but yeah, traction is the problem. If I get traction, if I launch it and I get traction, I'm in a problem. But again, for a street car, putting it around town, because the only viable upgrade for something like this is a dog box.
Yeah.
And that's like 10 to 12 grand.
Well, at least, I mean, if you're doing rolling, then you're good because you're.
And I don't really race it, to be honest. Like I said, street car, it's just for the happiness of me, but yeah.
So is all this down here, like, is this stock or is that all
No,
aftermarket?
it's all fully tubular. So basically from the towers forward, we completely cut and did all new mounts and bar. And technically all of this is removable.
Wow.
Yeah,
That's sick, bro.
It's a lot of work, a lot of fab work. My favorite piece.
How was it with trying to get like the cooling down? Is that like, was that one of the,
I'm still battling some cooling issues.
Okay.
What's really strange is it's perfectly fine idling, sitting, but maybe about an hour, because I drove about an hour and a half here, but after about an hour it starts getting a little warm. But if I slow down, I leave it in idle, I rev it up a little bit, like circulates the coolant a little better. I don't know what it is. I'm still working on it. Yeah.
Beautiful car.
Thank you. Let me see if I get something to practice.
Clean. I don't think I've seen one with the wide body kit on it. So this parking lot's gonna probably be full here in a little bit too. Arizona Car Week, there's a lot of car stuff going on. There's like 3 car shows today. That's cracking, man. Phoenix got a lot of JDM people, and this car show's still filling up. Gonna be, looks like so far in the parking lot, over 30, 40 cars, and then you got a lot of cars over here on the side streets.